Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard commerce students. We are discussing 5th chapter from syllabus, that is database concepts using LibreOffice Base. In last lecture we have seen how to create a table in LibreOffice Base. Today we will discuss about how to insert the record in the table. So there are certain steps to insert a record in table. To insert a record, first of all we have to open a database, and then from the left pane we have to click on the tables icon so that we will be able to see a table that we have created last time. So we had created student database, and within that stud table we have created. So first let us open a database, open LibreOffice application. From that open a student database, and then from left pane click on the tables icon, and see here there is a table that is stud that we have created in a last lecture. So let us see the next step. In the right pane from the bottom part, double click on the name of the table in which data is to be inserted. So we have to insert a data in stud table, so we have to click on the double click on the stud table. Then a window will appear on the screen. Type the data under each field and complete one record. In this way add some more records. So first of all we have to click on the left pane, that is tables icon. Then we have to click on double click on this table name, that is stud. Now see here we have to insert a record. Okay, so under every field, that is RL number, NM, city, under every field we have to insert a record. So let us insert the values. Roll number 101, name suppose Atharva, city Pune, insert a mobile number, fill the marks, then insert second record, enter mobile number, enter the marks. In this way we have to add some records. Enter marks. And add one more record, suppose in this way we have inserted the 5 different records into a table. So now let us check the next step. See here, click on the edit data icon to make the edit mode off. A window will appear. Then click on the yes icon and click on the close button. See here we have inserted a record in the table because edit mode is off. See the icon, this is the edit data icon. So whenever we will click on this, edit mode will be off. Okay, so click on the yes and see here, now you cannot make the changes into this table. Okay, because edit mode is off. If you want to add some more records, you have to first of all click here to make the edit data on, then you can insert the record here. Okay, so here see the note, for inserting a new record, edit data must be on. Okay, after inserting all the records, close the edit data mode, that is click here to close the edit data mode, and then close this form, and then your record has been now inserted into this table. If you will click here, you will be able to see the records that you have currently added into a table. Now the currently the edit data mode is on, and that's why you can add more records into this table also. So in this way we can insert the records into a table. But important thing is that to insert a new record, edit data mode must be on. Okay, this is the icon to make the edit data mode on and off. Okay, so we have seen how to create a database, how to create a table into database, and how to insert records into a table. So in this way we will get a view that we have seen earlier while inserting the record. So this is the snap of record insertion. So note down these all steps to insert a record in table, and also download the LibreOffice software, create database, create a table into it, and then insert a record into that table like this. Thank you.